Hello, today I will show you how to spread dough. First, sprinkle flour on the bench. Take one of the dough pieces we made before, which we showed how to make a piece of dough in the other video. It was nice and fun. Today I will show you how to technically spread dough. You must have seen before, when we spread the dough, it gets kind of rolled. Now, the tricky point here is the right side of our roller must touch the bench when going forward. The left side must touch the bench when going backward. This process will be repeated, so our dough will be spread. After spreading dough a little bit, sprinkle flour on it and roll it up with the roller and roll it forward. The tricky point here is that we always take the dough from the left side. Here is right 90 degrees in front of me, but I always take from the left side and pull it to myself. I keep spreading the dough by lightly pressing it up, and again I take it from the left side, roll it up and roll it forward. That way the dough turns around spontaneously and becomes homogeneous. Let's try again. Put that one aside. We will spread a bigger one this time. You can spread a dough for both baklava and börek, such as water börek or ravioli. Once again, we spread the dough by spinning technique. When we push it forward from the right and pressing it and pushing it backward from the left, the dough spreads up spontaneously. We can spread it like this without pressing on it until the dough gets slim enough. Roll it up, press and push forward. And then we always take the dough from the left side, then pull it to ourselves. Thus, the dough spins spontaneously. Now, when we spread the dough, we try to fill the dough with our fingers' hands. And we try to press on the thick parts a little bit more. But if we press too much, the dough may stick. As you practice more, you will get the hang of it. With this method, you can spread doughs of any size. You can share your own experiences by linking me the videos. I would be glad. As you see, I always take it from the left. I wrap it and I pull it to myself, and the dough automatically spins. Thus my dough spins automatically. Since my roller is small for this dough, I got a bigger one. As I said, with this method, you can spread dough of any size you want. I have limited space here, so I cannot move freely. Good luck.